friends, welcome to Creating with Jovi and 100 Days of Pockets. So today is day 54, and in collaboration with Cindy A. Lewis, I have created this Z-fold pocket. If you'd like to see how I did it, stick around. And I also wanted to make sure to mention that Cindy's got a downloadable instruction booklet on how to create all of the pockets, the 100 pockets. So check that out in my description box and you'll have access to that. Today you will need a paper strip, so we're going to cut that from this paper here. Your paper strip's going to need to be 8.5 by 3 inches or similar. You'll also want a scoreboard or bone folder, glue or tape, and some embellishments. Alright, the first thing we are going to do is cut our strip. It needs to be about 3 by 8 inches. Now we're going to score it at 3 inches and also at 6 inches. Now take your folds and fold them into a Z. Next we're going to glue the top and bottom sections to form pockets. For this one, I'm going to glue this way. I'm going to have pockets that are going to be aimed in different directions just for fun. So this one, the pocket is going to be here. And then for the next one, I'm going to have the pocket be on top. So I'm going to glue this, this, and this. All right, my friends, I am going to use this. This is a journal page. Of course, it's not been sewn into a journal yet, but it is a journal page. This is part of my paper dolls kit. I did a paper dolls kit, and I wanted to include some background pages, and this is one of them. So I'm going to take the tag that we just made, and I'm going to attach it to this page. And I'm going to put it right up here. I think this is a good spot. And then I created this tag. This was cardstock. Over the top of the cardstock, I put some stiffened fabric. It's very cool to stiffen fabric. It has a really great feeling. And then it's super easy to glue down. So that's what the polka dot is. And then I used some washi tape in 3 spots. And I just, it's cute. The colors work perfectly, so I thought that was a lot of fun. So this one is going to go in our little front pocket here. And then I cut out this fun paper doll, and I was going to back her onto this blue, and she does look fantastic. But I also thought she's pretty cute on her own. So she is going to go in the upper pocket just like that. This is day 54, and this was the Z-fold pocket. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed it very much. And please go check out Cindy's channel today and see what she came up with. And thanks for watching. See you soon.